to get free money on Cash App. In order to get free money on Cash App, you could follow these steps. So one way of getting free money on Cash App is through invite. So Cash App offers a referral program that allows users to earn money by inviting friends to join the platform. When referred, a friend signs up and sends a specific amount of money. Both the referrer and the friend receives a cash bonus. To do this, you have to first of all have your Cash App account opened, and next you simply want to click on this watch icon at the bottom of the page, which is considered your activity page. Right over here, right in center, you could see invite friend. Click that out, and as you do it so, enter in the phone or an email address and click on allow as well. As you've done it so, the other person, when he or she accepts your referral code or invite and creates an account, then automatically you'll have $5 added as a bonus to your Cash App account. And this is another way of getting it so. Likewise, the other way to get a free money is by visiting or going through the official website, where you could see a lot of information regarding a monthly program and all that. And when you attend it so or following some content or maybe social media platform, you'll also be able to get a referral or free money on Cash App. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.